Hey everybody, it's unboxing time and it's Kathy Pace at ZKTeco. Hope you remember me from last time. I'm here with my buddy Joe.
Hey Kathy, so I'm Joe Freed. I'm the sales engineer and trainer. Also, I hope you remember me from last time.
We're going to unbox the Omni30 today. Here we go, Joe. So it has a little bit of a protective coating, some instructions. So here's the reader itself. So it's a standalone unit. And it's IP66 rated, and it's IK04 vandal resistant.
And we'll talk about some of the features later, but let's see what else is in the box.
Okay, comes with a power supply and a cable. And then it also comes with this back plate. So Joe, tell me a little bit about this back plate.
Well, this is angled to help facilitate with the facial recognition and the palm recognition. So that's helpful.
And I like that it's metal. All right, and then we have a little bag of cables and some extra things for mounting, and of course your free screwdriver. And then it comes with a one prox card, so it will help you, test and things like that. So one free prox card then. That's right. About all that's in the box, Joe.
That's right. So now we have a reader here on the stand. And let's actually see how we use this thing. So you can see it's a 5-inch screen, like Kathy said. It's a standalone reader, so it will store the database on itself. It also has a Weekend output, so you can incorporate this with a third-party panel. It's a very easy way to add biometrics to a system that might not have biometrics. And you can also network a number of these together via our software, so you can enroll in one and have that template pushed out to the others. So once everyone is enrolled, authentication is really simple. This is using our next generation firmware, so we can see how quickly it authenticates. I'm just going to hold my hand out to get the access granted.
So it does palm, which you just showed, right?
So it does
and what
facial
else?
recognition, it does palm recognition, it does RFID card or fob, it does PIN, it does Bluetooth, and it does QR code.
Wow, that's a lot. 6, is that what it was?
Yes,
6 of them?
6-factor authentication.
And 1.
So we also have the Omni30 version of the reader. It's essentially the same thing, just with a 3-inch screen, but again, outdoor rated, IP66, vandal resistant. You can use it in standalone mode, you can use it as part of our software, you can network it among other devices that you have, and you can also wire it to a third-party panel if you want to add biometrics to a system that might not have biometrics. So these are all-in-one devices, very cool, very malleable. Kathy, anything else?
Yeah, it's in stock. So you can order it at your favorite distributor.
Perfect. All right, thanks everyone for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.